Welcome to our JavaScript events tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of events in JavaScript and how to handle them. Async await allows us to write asynchronous code that's more readable and maintainable. Async functions allow us to use the await keyword to pause the execution of the function until a promise is resolved. The await keyword allows us to pause the execution of an async function until a promise is resolved. We can use try-catch block to handle errors that occur in async function. Async await provides several benefits including improved readability, maintainability, and error handling. Following best practices for event handling can help improve the performance and accessibility of our code. Async await is commonly used for fetching data from APIs, handling file uploads, and making asynchronous requests. In the next video, we will explore more advanced topics in JavaScript programming. Async await can be used with loops to perform repetitive async operations. We can use promise.all to handle multiple async operations concurrently. Try-catch blocks can be used to handle errors that occur in async functions. Async await can be used with promises to write asynchronous code that's more readable and maintainable. Following best practices for async await can help improve the quality and maintainability of our code. I hope this video has helped you understand async await better. Thank you for watching.